Construction sites are dangerous enough without adding human error into the mix, but some workers get caught on camera making absolutely massive mistakes. From dropping entire loads to structural failures to equipment malfunctions that go hilariously wrong, these construction workers learned why safety protocols exist the hard way. Watch what happens when big mistakes happen in front of rolling cameras. Next up, we have this concrete pouring fail. Construction for today.
I've had enough today.
Watch this construction apprentice get pranked by his co-workers.
Come forward a bit though. Come forward a bit.
3, 4, 5. Down, back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah?
If you...
I think he misunderstood the assignment. These construction workers only had one job.
Minor, you installed the toilet? You're professional, huh? Install a brand new toilet. It's got a little issue. Oh my god.
How did they not even think of that? Some jobs require more than one person, and this poor guy found out the long way. At what point would you have given up? Imagine how frustrated he is. To be fair, he's wearing a cap under his helmet, so he might not be the brightest. Why is the cameraman still recording? Go help your coworker. Break. Some people shouldn't be working in construction. Seriously, what did they think would happen? Watch this nightmare construction incident occur during window washing.
workers dangling.
I can't even imagine how terrified the workers must have been.
Fire department is coming to help. How creepy.
How are you even supposed to rescue them in this situation?
To the rescue.
Thankfully, in the end, they managed to get rescued. This is why you never let your guard down in construction. Watch what's going to happen. Managing steel coils like these can be very dangerous. That could have ended so terribly. I wonder how much this error costed. This could easily have taken some bystanders' lives.
My God. That was a whole pallet of plasterboards falling.
This next video shows why proper lifting and rigging is so important. I can already tell this is going to end up bad. He's so lucky he managed to fit in the safe area. This is why you have to be very aware of your surroundings in construction. At the end, they got him out and he was safe. Safety isn't optional on a construction site, it's essential. Which mistake was the most expensive looking? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more construction fails that prove why hard hats exist.